So here is how to transfer money from your MTN Mobile Money wallet to a Nigerian customer or any other person in Nigeria. It's very easy and simple, and there's no need for an app or a third party website or a third party to assist you to do that. All that you need is to have MTN Mobile Money SIM card in your mobile phone, and you take the MTN Mobile Money code to be able to transfer the money. So first off, you need to dial the MTN MoMo code and you call it. When the options pop up, pick option 1, which is transfer. Then you scroll down, you see the option 7, which is cross-border transfer. And cross-border payment is a payment where you transfer money from your country into a different country, right? And we know for some times ago, you cannot transfer money from a different SIM card to another different SIM card. But all this from some time now, you'll be able to, or you can do it very easy and simple, where we call it intra-cooperability. That means you can transfer money from a different SIM card into a different SIM card, and you can also transfer money from your bank account into your mobile wallet or into a different person mobile wallet. And now they have brought the cross-border transfer, where you can transfer from your country, which is Ghana, into a different country, which is Nigeria. And this method, or this transfer method, is now available on only MTN. You cannot access this method on a different wallet or a different SIM card. It's only MTN that this method is available. So if you have MTN wallet, then you'll be able to transfer this money. One thing you need to know is that transferring money to a different country, which is the cross-border transfer, is now only available on only MTN, and MTN user in Ghana can transfer to only MTN user in Nigeria, and it's now available on only Nigeria. You cannot transfer to a different country. It's only on Nigeria, so note that one. And transferring to that one, the person which or whom you are transferring the money to need to also have MTN mobile wallet or MTN SIM card registered with MTN Mobile Money. If the person don't have MTN Mobile Money, you cannot transfer the money to that person number. So he need to make sure he's an MTN user and also have the mobile money activated on his SIM card, his or her SIM card. So you dial the code. After dialing the code, then you pick that option, then it will take you to, which is the option 7, the cross border. Then you get access to transfer to a Nigeria. So the option 1, you see Nigeria out there, then you take the Nigeria. After you go down with that one, then you need to make sure you enter the country code, which is Nigeria country code, which is the 234 or plus 234, or you can dial it 00234. Then you enter the person SIM or the receiver number, then you transfer the money. Note again, you cannot transfer to a different network aside MTN, and the MTN user that you are transferring the money to need to make sure he has a mobile wallet activated. Okay, so I will show you the next step where you transfer from a different SIM card to Nigeria by using your bank transfer. So here is how to transfer from your bank into a Nigerian bank, okay, or transfer into a Nigerian bank. It's very easy and simple. And this bank that I'm using is the GCB mobile wallet, right? So if you come to your screen out here, we have the home, and then you come to the payment option. If you go to the payment option, there are so many options here. Come to the PAPSS payment, that instant cross-border payment in Africa. So you hit that one, that gives you the access to transfer to any other countries in Africa. We have direct payment. So you hit that one, then it will take you through this side. So this side, you're going to select the country you want to transfer the money to. So if I hit here, we have so many countries in Africa that you can transfer money from Ghana to that country. So we have here Nigeria. I will select the Nigeria, and then I come to the beneficiary number, which is the person using that I'm receiving the money, right? The person receiving the money, I need to choose the bank that he want me to send the money to. So if I hit this one, there are so many bank here that I can transfer from Ghana to that bank. So you get here, you select the bank that you want to transfer the money from Ghana to that bank. Okay, so here I'll use Zenith. If I use Zenith, we have the to account. That means the beneficial account number. I'll enter that one here. Then follow the next prompt to be able to send the money from Ghana to that number. That easy and simple. If this video give value to you, kindly subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video to benefit from it.